Welcome to ProText. In this video, I'm going to show you how to issue your textbooks to pupils. You're going to log on as textbook in capitals and singular. Press enter. Are you at the server? In my instance, I am at the server, so I press Y for yes. And that is your main screen. You're going to go in to issues and returns and then click on textbook issues. Now in this video we are going to presume that you have got your textbooks in the system, that you have got your pupils in the system, that your pupils know their numbers, although I will show you how to use the lookup feature at the end of this video. You're going to presume that you have set up your default return date, which is in your system defaults, and we're going to presume that you have decided that you want to print out letters for each pupil after their books have been issued. The alternative is to print out in bulk after all the issues have been completed, in which case you would take out that tick in the system defaults next to issued letters on entry. The books are issued by member number. So we are going to put in this pupil's member number 0452, press enter, and you'll see that it is Abdul Zabi. He is in grade 10, class C. And here you will see there is no number there next to loan to date. In other words, he has not had any books out at the moment, up until now. He's got no books out on loan at the moment, no overdues and no fines. If there were a number next to now on loan, you can click on the radio button opposite it, show items currently on loan to member, and it would show you what books he has got out. But we're starting afresh, so he's got nothing out. The issue date, which you can see here, is picked up from the computer. So today is the 28th of the 4th, 2019. And if I press enter, it jumps to the return date and automatically fills in the return date. Now that return date has been set up in your system defaults as the 30th of November 2019. We press enter and it jumps down to accession number. Now we are going to use the scanner and we're going to scan in the books that he is taking out. The first one, Classroom Mathematics Grade 10, you'll see that it's set as used. If you decide actually this book is really tatty, you can click on the drop down arrow and choose tatty. The number of days that it is issued for is 216, which is 216 days from today to the 30th of November. Now we press enter and it goes down to the next book. We scan that one in, English in Context, and the next one, Focus Consumer Studies, and the last book, Maths 911. Those are the 4 books that we are issuing to Abdul Zabi. We can now save those issues. You go down to this bottom button that says save, or if you prefer to use the keyboard, you will see there is a keyboard shortcut, which is F4. F4 is always your button for save. So I'm now going to save those textbook issues. And immediately it comes up with this little print screen, and I'm going to click on display and OK, and this is the letter that would be printed out for this pupil. So at the moment the school is set as Somerset School, current textbooks issued. There is his member number 0452, his name and his class, and these are the 4 books that we have just issued to him, with the issue date, the expected return date, the condition of the book, and also the current cost of the book and the replacement cost, which can be the same but is not always the same. It gives you a total replacement cost, so the parents know that when they sign this, that they have acknowledged that there are 600 rands worth of books out to Abdul. There is a place for the parents to sign, or you can make the children, the pupils sign if you prefer. If you want to print this out, you would go File, Print. That is now printing out his letter. And the screen has now gone back, ready for the next pupil. So the next pupil is 0381, and that is Gillian Abrams. And the issue date and the return date are filled in automatically. You press enter, and it goes down to accession number. And then we are going to issue 2 books to her. And we are going to say save. That is her letter. Bakrat, an Oxford Successful Consumer Studies, and you can then either exit from there or print it out. The next pupil, Nadine Abrams, doesn't know her number. So we are going to use the lookup function. Again, you can use the button lookup down at the bottom here, or you can press F2. And that takes you to a list of all the pupils in the school in alphabetical order by surname. And Nadine Abrams has forgotten her number. Now, unfortunately, there are a lot of Nadine Abrams, but just to show you how the system works, in this field here, where it's blue, we're going to overtype with A-B-R-A-H. You don't have to type the whole surname, and it jumps to all the Abrams, and there I can see Nadine. There she is right down at the bottom. Now I can either click on that, or I can use my up and down arrow until I get down to Nadine, and then I can say select, or I can use the enter key. And it knows Nadine Abrams' number is 0453, and you can then continue from there issuing her books.